I love serving up breakfast for dinner. Sometimes it's a great big fry up, sometimes it's a simple bowl of cereal, and sometimes I fancy something nice and sweet like this French toast coated with a lovely cinnamon sugar crust. It's absolutely delicious, and you can pile it high with whipped cream, with fresh fruit or nuts, or all three. To a large shallow bowl, add 2 large eggs, 4 tablespoons of full fat milk, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and whisk it all together. Now I've got 6 tablespoons of light brown soft sugar in my bowl, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon and stir together. Now melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large frying pan over a medium heat until it's just bubbling. Take 3 thick slices of brioche bread and dip in the egg mixture in both sides and place in that hot pan. Fry for about 1 minute until light brown, then turn the bread over and sprinkle about a tablespoon of that cinnamon sugar over the 3 slices of bread. After about another minute, turn the bread over again and sprinkle with a further tablespoon of cinnamon sugar. Then we're going to flip them over one more time and cook for a further minute until that sugar's lovely and golden and crispy. Then transfer to a warm plate. Give your pan a little bit of a wipe out and then repeat with 3 further slices of brioche bread. So that's my 2 servings of French toast done, and now we're ready for all of those lovely toppings. Sprinkle on a little bit more cinnamon sugar, and then I like to dollop on some nice thick whipped cream. Add some fresh fruit. I like to add some berries, cherries and sliced banana. And then I like to sprinkle on some chopped nuts. Just with a little bit of icing sugar, and then if you want to go really crazy, why not drizzle with some golden syrup or maple syrup. And there we go, cinnamon sugar crusted French toast with the works. The kids are going to love me forever for this one.